Welcome to part 2 of the tutorial on Isibheqe Sohlamvu. Today we will be discussing nasals, trills and approximants. Please make sure that you have watched part 1 of the tutorial where we discussed vowels, as vowels are fundamentally important to how we construct everything else in Isibheqe. Let's take a look at nasals. The first nasal consonant we are going to look at is the M or ma consonant. It is illustrated as a small circle over the outer tip of the vowel triangle. The reason I have illustrated the vowel triangle as dashed is because consonants in Isibheqe do not exist outside of a vowel. They are always attached to a vowel. Since the vowel dictates the syllable, the consonants will rotate with the vowel triangle. Please pay close attention to the position of the consonants in this example. Look at the ma, me, and mi. It's the same principle with the rest of the vowels too. It is a fundamental rule in Isibheqe that every consonant rotates with the vowel. This will take some practice to get used to. Knowing that, let's take a look at the next nasal consonant, the N or the na. It looks similar to the M, but it has a straight line dividing the circle. Again, the position will rotate with the vowel, like in this example. The next nasal consonant to look at is the nya. An example using this consonant is the word nyama. Please pay close attention to how we have rotated the consonant with the vowel and how we have added another syllable using a consonant we have already learned, i.e. the M. This is how we construct full words in Isibheqe, by chaining syllables together. I should also mention that we can also spell the word nyama by using a normal N and chaining the symbol for a Y consonant to make a nya. Since Isibheqe is not standardized, you should be able to spell it however you see fit. Since I've given you a taste on approximants with the Y, let's go ahead and discuss them. This is the symbol for the Y or the ya. I would describe it as sort of an angled symbol that is situated below the vowel, but maintaining constant contact with the triangle. Please pay close attention to how the consonants rotate with the vowels you, ya, yo. The next approximant we can look at is the L or the la consonant. I would describe it as a slanted line situated next to the vowel triangle. Please pay close attention to how the consonant rotates with the vowels la, le, la. A practical example using consonants we have already learned is uyala or lima. Last but not least is the approximant for the W or the wa. I would describe it as two straight lines situated inside the vowel triangle. Again, please pay close attention to how the consonant rotates with the vowels wa, wi, wu. You will find it mostly chained with the L consonant making lwa, lwe, lui. A good example is the word uyalwa. Okay, those are all the approximants, and what's left is the trills. Luckily, there is only one trill in Isibheqe, and it is the R or the Ra consonant. I would describe it as sort of an upside down open triangle inside the vowel triangle, and the edge tips are always touching the vowel. Please pay attention to how the consonant rotates with the vowels ra, re, ru. I like to chain this consonant with the W to make the word Rwanda. Here we see two straight lines that make a W and how it connects with the R symbol to make a Rwa. A more practical example using consonants we've already learned is the word Riavaya. The V symbol I have not taught you yet, but it is called a fricative consonant, and I will be going over them in the next video. Thank you for watching this video where we discussed nasals, approximants, and trills. I've linked a document in the description where you can recap what we have learned in this video, and please join me in the next video where we discuss fricatives. Thank you.